The city of Columbia owes millions of dollars to former owners of a landmark business in the capital city. Well, we learned today that the judge ruled in favor of the owner of the Constan car wash, which closed back in 2021 due to flood damage. Now the city of Columbia has to pay more than $5 million. News 19's Shelly Garzone has the details.
Constan's Car Wash first opened their doors back in 1949, welcoming generations of customers before closing their doors in the spring of 2021.
Imagine yourself being a third-generation owner of a family business and watching it crumble before your eyes. And that's what happened to Mr. Smith.
Andrew Hand is an attorney who represented Chip Smith, whose family owned and operated the car wash. On your screen now is video from 2010. Attorneys say after years of dealing with flooding issues like these and reporting it to the city of Columbia, Smith took matters into his own hands.
He reached out to a very prominent engineer named Dan Creed to design a wall that would be placed in front of the property and divert the floodwater away from the property. He applied to the city of Columbia for a permit to build this wall, and the city of Columbia approved the permit.
The wall was built in 2018. The city argued it was a safety hazard to motorists on Gervais Street and that they warned the business owners that they wanted the wall removed. Video from that time period shows water flooding Gervais Street. In March of 2021, the city knocked down the wall.
Once that wall came down and that flooding started, there was simply no way for Mr. Smith to operate his business, and ultimately the business had to close.
According to Hand, the city believed they were the owners of the property where the wall was built. But an 1874 deed showed it was owned by Norfolk Southern Railroad Company, who Smith got a lease from to build the wall.
Once we had that property issue resolved, it really became a question about the damages that were done to this property from the flooding.
Attorneys hired a real estate appraiser who revealed property values decreased due to the high probability of flooding.
Before the wall came down, the property was worth $4.6 million. After the wall came down, she determined that it was worth $400,000.
On Monday, a South Carolina judge ruled in favor of Smith, saying the city of Columbia is to pay him over $5.5 million. News 19 did reach out to the city of Columbia for a statement, who said they did not have one at this time. Shelly Garzone, News 19, WLTX.